Hey guys, welcome back to the channel on Really Doing. Welcome, what's up? If you're new, please go ahead to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell, post notification bell, so you get notified every time I post a new video. Today we are currently at Ocean Eden. Is it Eden's or Eden Bay? I'm not sure if there's an S on it. However, if you are a day one subscriber, you guys would have seen all the videos that all the videos that I did when I came to the other side, which was Ocean Corals Spring. So we're actually staying on the adult side now, and we're here because of babe's birthday. Happy birthday, boo. Happy birthday. So today's the day of his birthday. The last time we did a birthday vlog for babe, it was not the day of his birthday, it was 2 days after. So today is actually the day of his birthday. That is very good. And yeah, so we're going to go back to the room now. We came good while now. We've been here for some time now, but we went and looked something to eat. Probably I have to went and look something to eat. So that's us up. That's us really up right now. So we're currently walking past the beach, and we must add the beach looks very clean. Yeah, so as I said, we're on this side, which is the adult side, and we're going to the room now. You guys are going to get a room tour just to see the difference between the room at the Ocean Coral Springs compared to the room. Can we walk here? This might be closer, but we'd have to walk come down or in the middle compared to the Eden Bay side. So this is the view from outside. So yeah. Hi guys, so excuse my vlog, my bad vlogging behavior here. I guess that more asleep, not sure. Right, the light, the camera not feels so clear, but we're actually at this restaurant that we have been to. What's the name of it again, babe? La Loc Andia, something like that. La Conda, yeah. So that's the restaurant that we're at, and sorry boo, I look so tired, like I was asleep. He's having some white wine, not his favorite, but he's having it, and I am having some red wine. It's almost finished though. And these are some croissants from Shein. I have a big up Shein with a nice croissants. And this is the restaurant that we're inside of, the view of the restaurant. So that is what it is. So yeah guys, waiting on the meal to come. After waiting for 50 minutes, I don't remember kind of song. I don't know what spaghetti he said this is. I don't remember. There's this little boy in here making a lot of noise, and they've got some salmon and some mash. My wine is finished, so the man is gonna pour some more. Babe still up on it. Why? What's going on for that? So yeah, this is it, and we're getting the wine now. Thank you. Watch him. Extra. Okay, so for babe's birthday, he got a Manchester United cake, and it says happy birthday, Odain. Yeah, with all this, I can tell that he's a Man U fan. Alright? So this is his cake, and we're going to put some stuff in it now. I get the fire thing blazing. So put in something. Oh, you want to put in happy birthday? Wait, no.
Happy birthday, right?
No, put it back here, sir.
Say put this on the street.
You put it here, sir? But now, any man you sit there, so put it here for this.
You like some piece of plastic on it?
A plastic on it?
Catch a fire.
I don't know. No, come on more.
And each one is a
Yeah, two in the eye. Eh? So you know this thing, guys, that you light it and it blazes up. So that's our aim, to make this look pretty and all that. So I know the cake is nice and we are mash it up with all this, but like who cares, like whatever. Hold on. So yeah guys, babe, hurry up. For breakfast, I'm not sure. I'm not reading, but I'm just picking up and choosing from what I have here. Some potato stuff. I don't really want that. And we're making omelet down there. It's like fried potato. I don't know what's in the Canada, but this is it, and I'm waiting on some omelet. That's big. How much anything too? This is omelet. Look, that's a very big omelet. Alright, and they have some other stuff, but I'm gonna try these and then come back because I know you want pick and support. Look for this side of it. And we are in the dining area for breakfast. I don't remember the name of the dining area that we're in. But can't take the curry because the amount of something I take. The curry, the red noodles. Mine not the curd bro. Babe here. They have ackee, but I don't see any fried dumpling like ackee without fried dumpling. That's happening, really. Fried dumpling are nice. But your omelet did look big, but now we not look big again. Eh? Oh, I went to the spread way? Huh? They have hash brown. My hand is tired. Can you put hash brown in my plate please and some bacon? Wow, the ackee fall out, don't they? One pot. No more. Just gonna have a bacon. Here is it right here. That's it for me. Now let's sit down, okay? Alright guys, so yep. Alright, so sitting now with the one pot meal. This is obviously a one pot meal because they have everything in a one plate. I need to go get some fruits. And the view outside, very lovely. I forgive Eden Bay, Ocean Coral, them view points. Their seating area and all that was nice because they have like that nice vintage but look modern style. Bohemian, a Bohemian call them style, I don't remember. Yeah. So wait my babe to come. I wanted to curl right here, but because of Odain rushed me, I couldn't fix up my curl because I did my own hair. Yeah. I get some fruits. Oh, you got that? Guess what? Give it me salad. What? Pancake? A pancake they have it as?
Pancake.
Hmm?
Pancake.
What that? French toast? Look at big bread. Curry, not like a one plate with French toast, omelette, hash brown, curry chicken, and my baby. Alright guys, so we're back in the lazy river. From 2 years ago, we were back in the lazy river. Watch him. I'm fresh enough. The drunk off himself.
Me? How are you?
Huh?
Me do it, are you?
Who do it?
And where you give me some more round for? The good still, the married.
We are, when we are going there, you both a slide. The clocks to a slide. Yes.
I mean, then call the rum back here.
Shut up.
Me alone can only run.
Alright guys, so catch me. Well, this video me. Turn it around. Is it dark?
No, you're good.
Good. So my swimwear.
You're far, you have to hold me.
What?
Hold my foot. Really?
So far it is good guys, it is good. We're here for 2 nights, 3 days. The last time we came we spent 2 days, 1 night. Yeah, we're at the adult side though, if I haven't said that before.
You said it before.
I said I have. However, not much different.
Okay, you can go for the two.
You can go on 2 sides, just the rooms being different. And my personal view is that I prefer the rooms by the
Don't talk.
I prefer the room by the coral, the ocean coral, than the room by the Eden. That's my preference. I'm not hard to be babe, so I can't be pleased, but I mean I can make a comparison because I've been at both of them now. So yeah. But so far it's good. It's good. We're having fun. Are you enjoying yourself, babe? We have never been in a situation where we drink.
I want a better.
I've never been in a situation where.
Yeah, that's what you say on the top.
Huh?
You ever been in a situation where you come and no happy?
And get drunk during the day. So that we have tried. But babe, gone already. Partially gone.
No?
You're partially gone.
Where bridging?
You're partially gone. So we're going to enjoy the lazy river. I never want my ear to wet up. I did my hair myself.
No, the brightest one.
Again, only if it run it up.
So that means I alone?
Road, but
So hold on.
Alright.
So answer that now. That means
No,
I
I
alone?
came up with a style.
Came up with the style that means that you do.
Alright, anyways, Odain, I'll give you another view.
They got me looking the way you do.
Can't go up and far.
Push me under water.
No!
Alright. I don't want no more shot for now. Must later that. Might drink something. What's to yourself? Push it. No, next side. Next side. No, next side good. Can go by next side. No. Alright, wait, let me come on. No, not pushing. Hold the phone. No, hold the phone.
Alright, hey guys, we're at Ocean Corals. Well, actually, we're staying on the Eden Bay side. Are you guys on this side? Oh, yeah. And we saw Gio.
Gia?
Yeah.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel?
Life as Dominique Awesomeness.
I want to big up life as Dominique Awesomeness, man. Go follow her, go subscribe to her, you see me? Yeah, show her some support.
Yeah, it's good to see you though. We saw Ken there and I was like to him, that looks like Ken.
Yeah, because when we come here a while ago, I'm going to wait.
Yeah.
The boss that. But you know where you go already still.
Yeah. Are you guys enjoying your stay? Do you like it here?
Yesterday I did drunk.
Right now, me I tell him,
Bro.
tell her right now, man. It's like me.
Them man literally take me up. Take me up.
I say you go hard, boss.
Bro, I'm going hard.
Yo.
Oh, you guys came yesterday was your first day?
No.
Oh, you were here before?
Yeah, before. Alright, we was supposed to leave yesterday.
Oh.
But because me get drunk and
Yeah.
we have to book in
Book in
because we
and
already
that,
did check out and just
Can't drive, so yeah, true.
Oh.
Just a while ago the bartender come see me a while ago. She was like, oh my god, you alright?
Yeah.
And she give me like 20, 15 shots, bro.
I just want to go there with the lazy river and tell you, say, boss,
Yeah.
finish it.
Because the thing about it, you know, you think about it, they encourage you to drink because you pay to come
And then
here.
after you start walking, you say, no,
Yeah.
sir, this one. Yeah.
That's
don't
what
know
was
what thing
right
like
there,
this
bro.
thing.
They're on this.
Uh-huh.
Bro, big up.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, my boss.
Yeah.
I
Good.
respect here.
Oh, bro.
So you
Yeah,
guys
bro.
leaving today?
Yeah, we're leaving.
Okay, good. All right. So, bye. All right.
Big up.
Alright guys, so yeah, that was it. Yeah. Alright guys, so we went and saw Gio. We saw Ken afterwards. Yeah, so that's what's up. That's what's up. Yes, everybody check it out for the weekend. Yeah, and we alone drinking the people. You realize, you know what I mean?
It's the weekend for fastness.
Alright guys, so we're gonna turn back the toilet cover. I have to go shop cover. But I'm gonna change my clothes.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Turning this.
Out here.
We signed for them.
Because we're on the other side.
You just bring them back?
Alright, thank you.
Oh.
Okay, thank you.
Wisdom is the last thing. The guy just yeah. Thanks.
Oh my god, what am I gonna put on now? Shit, my jam I'm on this morning.
Just put on blows.
My jam is just I'm on this morning. I'm so fucked up. I don't know where you get this from. What is?
No, you don't know a 6 down.
Hello.
You have to do the same way.
I can't look at a call. Let's say, oh.
No, but you have to do 6 long time, but you have to do this after. You don't know.
Okay. Alright, so
we
shut up. We haven't seen a lot of people that we know. Other from Jay and Ken. If I did me alone, Grizzle don't know nobody.
So mistake.
Grizzle, no know nobody.
You just come out and look and go back in my hole.
You don't know nobody. Leave it to me. I know everybody.
People, look at me. You see, in a life, you have to just humble and just stay cool. You see me? Because guess what? Even though I know people, you know, but guess what? I not too, you know? You don't know how so good to be.
Grizzle don't know nobody. Leave it as that pipe black.
Yeah, boss, but you don't know. Gio, big up yourself, see me, you see me? Because look, people, even me already there a while ago, and she said, let me go to him, and I say, yo, just school, me a man. You know if you relate with man, you know if you relate with woman. Ken did done gone in already. So I said, just humble yourself. She said, no, I'm going to say, Ken, how are you? I said, yo, just be there, make me deal with the thing, you see me? I mean, just go over there, link up the boss, you don't know anything already, people, you don't know anything already, we done steady already. And worse, my frost, you don't know if everything's steady.
If not steady, everything shaky. Alright, then so we have to change the clothes. Because, then so we have to change the clothes to go in the room. So that we're gonna put on some cover up and go get something to eat. Okay? Bye. Hi guys, hi. I'm actually not feeling the vlogging mode, and I mean that's okay. We're currently having dinner. Well, we basically have dinner, but we're just waiting on something else. We came out late simply because we were tired. We were out all day. We got drunk or fresh for partially about some good amount of hours in the day, and that kind of slowed down the pace. So we really did not really feel like coming outside. So that's what's up though. My outfit. Yeah, baby's on the other side. Hi. Why you look like that? You tired? I told you if spending so much time in the water will allow you to be extremely tired, right? Yep, but we're gonna see if bowling is open and go see if something can go on for that, right? Yeah. Guys, I'm having this shrimp thing. I don't know what it is, but it's really good. I got it like the chef just made it for me because I was asking about shrimp. There's none in the main dining area, and he made it for me. That was so good, so great. Really thankful for this.